Today is today is September 18, 2023. I'm listening to the audiobook Trading for a Living: Psychology, Trading Tactics, and Money Management. Now, why did he list those three things? He listed psychology, trading tactics, and money management. So those are the three most important things it looks like. And he is a successful day trader. And so that means psychology, trading tactics, and money management is the key to trading for a living. It's right there. If I were to write a book and sell it, okay? If I were to write a book and sell it, I would have the title there, okay? It says Trading for a Living. And then there's like three bullet points. One of them is psychology, trading tactics, and money management. Okay, those are the three primary things that are required to trade for a living. And then it's got the author's name on there, Dr. Alexander Elder. Okay. So what I'm reviewed the first few sections of it for now, and then it's starting to make more sense than when I attempted to listen to this and read that in the past. In the past, it made absolutely no sense whatsoever. Now that I have experience with trading, the things that he's saying is making sense to me. One of the things that he mentioned is that I will make a little bit of money, and then my ego and I will be so heightened in being so good at trading that I would just blow up the trade. This is exactly what happened to me last week. Okay, that's exactly what happens. I know it. That's what happens. Okay, so it took me about 2 to 3 weeks to change a $420 initial capital into $900. Okay, at the end of Friday of last week. Then come Monday of the previous week, and on Monday there was such a heightened sensation that I will be making money on that day that I neglected to look at a couple of things: a stop loss and the entry point. Those are the two critical things that I should have been focusing on. And what that caused was a loss of about 40% of my account. Then on the following day, now that I'm frazzled, my mind is gone. It has been totally distraught and devastated. And then I proceeded to lose another, at this time, lose about 50% of my account. Okay? 40% and 50% loss right there, just like that. And then the subsequent couple of days, like Wednesday and Thursday, I would lose a little bit because I attempted to utilize a stop loss, and it was effective, but it was wide, and therefore the loss was significant on a Wednesday and a Thursday. Then on a Friday, I essentially just got in again without looking at. That's what he says. That's what he says. He says something about people just get in just on emotions without looking at the setups. And so at that point, I took from a $178 to $42, which essentially means that I've essentially lost 70% of my account. This book that used to not make any sense whatsoever is now making sense.